Good morning everyone, it's a new vlog. I want to show you the view from my window. What is it? I haven't been there. It's sunny today. Cars, people. Yeah. I'm recording this video a second time. As you can see from my wet hair, I took a shower and now I'm gonna find new users on my platform. I'll try to write some bloggers on Twitter. I wanna find people who like to write long posts, but they are restricted on Twitter by character limits. So I wanna offer them type and post. Let's see what happens. I just found out reading Twitter that there was a news yesterday about Twitter Blue subscribers. Now US citizens who bought a Twitter Blue subscription for $8 or maybe $11 can tweet posts up to 4,000 characters. So we'll see what happens next. I've read a lot of replies under the Twitter Blue post about the increasing in character limits up to 4,000 characters, and now I'm confused. I don't know. A lot of people tell that it's a good idea, but a lot of people say that it's very bad. It kills Twitter identity. I think that Elon Musk just wants to remake everything that's been building in Twitter for years. Like, I think people loved Twitter for their short, concise posts or tweets, and now he wants to remake it, to make it something like Quora, Medium, Reddit. I just think that Twitter will lose its identity that has been building by Twitter employees for years. It's not good, because initially Twitter was designed for small posts. So we'll see what happens next. And of course, this feature is only working for Twitter Blue subscribers and only living in United States. So there are a lot of people around the world who wants to write long posts and they can't do it. Of course, this feature is only testing, but if it becomes a general feature for Twitter, I think that Twitter will lose its identity. Maybe there will even be a new platform like an old Twitter that will limit the number of characters per each post. Who knows? I think it's not a right strategic decision for Twitter, not only because it kills Twitter identity, but also because it breaks off relations with all Twitter users on which Twitter is built. I think that nowadays people are used to Twitter character limits, and it's not the right decision to break everything that's been building for years or maybe for decades for Twitter. Hello everyone, I went out to the street, going to the city center. Wanna make some reels for you about type and post. Today I used ChatGPT for the first time in my life, and it's pretty amazing. I don't know even what to tell. I asked it about type and post. He didn't know anything about it, but then I learned it. I learned that ChatGPT told him about type and post and stuff, and he almost immediately learned and was able to answer my questions on different themes. It's cool. If you haven't tried it yet, you should probably do it. Today I want to make several reels for Instagram to publish them in coming days. I'm near the port, on the bridge. There is a helicopter over there. I think this is one of the best places in Barcelona. I've made already 4 videos, 4 reels. Now going back to the city. It's almost 2 p.m. and I haven't eaten today, so I need to find something to eat. I like this port and this bridge. If you are in Barcelona, you definitely should go here. Look how many cars there are. When I was recording reels, this ship sailed here. I've never seen such big ships. It's an interesting place and there are a few tourists here. And I'm going back and the city center is over there. Hi. I went out for a walk. Want to see new places today. It's hot today, almost 14 degrees. So I want to tell you what I did yesterday. Yesterday I created 4 reels about instruction on how to use type and post. And I've already published 1 reel today. So you'll be able to see the full instruction on type and post functionality. So that's great. So in total I have 6 unpublished videos. So I'm free for the next few days from creating them. In recent days I've been reading to Twitter users who like to write long reads or long posts, but I got only 1 response. So I decided to find people on Instagram, and yeah, I found a really good hashtag for my purpose. It's called long post. There are a lot of posts where people write long reads. It's in Instagram, so I wrote a lot of people today already. Want to see what the response will be. I decided where to go. I want to go to Barcelona Stadium. I'm already here. I've been going here for maybe 30 minutes by subway. There is this stadium over there. It's a stadium where Messi had been playing before he was moved to another team, PSG, if I'm saying this right. Actually, I'm shocked at how hard it is for me to speak English. I'm translating almost every sentence because it's not perfect for me, the language. There are some people playing football. Spanish people like to play football. And I guess this is the stadium. It's called something like Camp Nou Stadium. I want to see it. I got here because Messi had been playing here and I like him. No, I showed you the wrong building. The stadium is over there. I'll try to show you it from a distance to show you the overall picture of it. Yes, it's here. Can I go here? Thank you. So this is the stadium. It's really big. Barcelona is playing here. Maybe not today, but it plays here football. It's bad that Messi doesn't play here. It would be much better feelings for me. I've never been here before. There are some monuments. Some players, a lot of tourists. It's interesting. It's happening here. There is a food court, some food court. I think there should be a museum. I was in one museum in the city center of this team. But there is another one. Yeah, it's a shop. You can buy some clothes of this team here, like t-shirts, hoodies. Yeah, it's big, and it's designed like a stadium. Yeah, you have seats here. Interesting place. I think this is the original clothes of this team. Some sneakers. If we compare this team from my home team, like Ufa, there is a big difference indeed, because we don't have such shops or museums of our team, and there is a big difference. But the number of people living in my home city in Ufa and in Barcelona approximately the same, but Spanish people really like football. That's why their team is so popular. Yeah, it was an interesting shop. There are a lot of people, but it's not a city center. Maybe there is a match going on today, but today is Sunday. Maybe that's why there are a lot of people. And I haven't shown you the stadium yet, because it's really big, and I don't know how to show you it in full picture. This is the stadium. I think it is the main entrance, but we can't see the field itself. How to see it? I don't know. I always loved this team. Was it fun? Even when I was living in Ufa. Maybe that's because in my childhood I had their form. I had Ibrahimovic t-shirt, and I was a big fan of football in my childhood. I liked to play this sport with my friends, but then I stopped playing it. But I really liked it. This is the stadium. I wanna go around the stadium. Maybe I'll find some places. I can't go here. Oh, okay, thank you. I can't go here. This lady didn't allow me to go further. It's an interesting place. There are matches, I think, of teams playing. Yeah, it's Camp Nou, Spotify advertisements here. Nike. Interesting. Maybe it would be a great idea to go for a match here one day. Who knows? I had to come here just to say myself that I was here. Interesting place, but I didn't see the field itself. There is a huge wall around the stadium, so we can see it. We need to go to the match to see it. Yeah, something like that. Okay, I think I'll go because there's no much to see here. Just a stadium and just this big wall. There is a sign near the entrance telling that museum is over there. Let's try to find it. Actually, there are a lot of people, as you can see. I didn't think that there would be so many people. I forgot to say you that yesterday I made some improvements on the website on Type and Post. Now there are all recent posts on the search page, so you can see them. Now there is no need even to follow somebody, because on the search page you can see all the posts. I thought it would be good for new users who just signed up and didn't see any new posts, because all the website for them was blank, without any information, without any posts, so it wasn't really good for them. I think I have nothing else to do here. The museum was that shop where I was, I think, so I'll go to the city center. I think a lot of boys in Barcelona want to play in this team, on this field, so they try to do their best to get there. I think this is like their dream. It's cool. To describe you how much Spanish people love football, you should have been here on the World Cup. Especially at the final, all the bars were packed, and when Argentina won the championship, there were a lot of people on the streets screaming. They were happy. They were happy even though Spain didn't win, but they always rejoice when such events related to football occur. They really like football, so they like all the events related to it.